What's the meaning of curiosity? Curiosity. Curiosity.
Curiosity. Curiosity. Curiosity is the desire or urge to learn or know more about something. It is often characterized by a sense of inquisitiveness, exploration, and discovery. Curiosity can lead to a wide range of outcomes, including increased knowledge, personal growth, and creativity. When we are curious, we tend to ask questions, seek new experiences, and challenge our assumptions. This can help us to better understand ourselves, others, and the world around us, and to make more informed decisions. Overall, curiosity can be a powerful force for personal and collective development.